In a quiet corner of Iraqi Kurdistan, a couple of old Soviet helicopters are waiting to be loaded. This is everything the Kurds have to help tens of thousands trapped in the neighboring mountain. Taban is a British Kurd. She's only just arrived today.
We saw lots of displaced Yazidis. It was a horrific scene to see, and I can't imagine what's waiting there on the mountains for us to see.
After 4 hours waiting for patrol, the helicopter finally takes off to Sinjar mountain. Transporting aid by road is a dangerous mission. The small helicopter is packed with food, water, and medicine. Islamic State militants control swathes of land in this region. The crew frequently come under attack. We were lucky this time. After 40 minutes in the air, we finally reached them. In the past 10 days, tens of thousands of the minority Yazidi sect are trapped on the mountain. When we tried to land, we were overwhelmed by people trying to jump on board. On this flight, just about a dozen made it out. But the fear is, with airlifting on this scale, many might not survive. Days without water and food, these people take what they can. They have lost many loved ones and hold on to those who remain. Finally, a safe landing back at Feshkhabur base. Those who made it onto the helicopter will now head to the relative safety of a refugee camp in Kurdistan. But this handful were the lucky ones. Just a fraction of the thousands still suffering fear and despair on the besieged mountain. Gol, BBC News in Iraqi Kurdistan.